If you're an Etsy seller looking to increase your sales, then this video is for you. I want to show you one of the best ways right now to help increase your sales for your Etsy store. And listen, guys, you need to stay right to the end because this is mind blowing, guys. Now, check this out. Look, on Etsy, it doesn't matter what you sell. It could be tumblers, it could be clipper, it could be t-shirts, which is really, really popular. Whatever store you have and whatever you sell, you can do this. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how to create some fantastic viral ads, which will actually bring people to buy things from your store. And it is literally one of the easiest things to do. And it's really, really mind blowing. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this so you can get much more customers into your store and make sure your sales are exponentially increased, man. It is absolutely crazy. So check this out. Look, I'm going to show you right now. So guys, the idea is that we're going to create some fantastic viral ads, which is going to promote your product. So in this case, we're looking at t-shirts. Because it's a very popular, obviously, niche and a lot of people do sell them, but it doesn't matter what you sell. This can apply to any single product that you sell for print on demand or digital products. So it can be any store that you've got. And I'm going to show you how to create viral videos that actually doesn't even need you to be in the video, which is amazing. Okay. But using AI to actually create viral videos to promote your products. So the whole idea is we create videos which can go onto TikTok or Instagram, and these are fantastic viral videos. So what we're going to be doing is using something called Arcads, and this is one of the best tools right now out there to create your AI generated videos, right? It is absolutely phenomenal, right? And it really does quickly create viral videos using AI actors to create some crazy videos, which I want to show you today, right? It's the easiest thing. So if you're interested in anything like this, don't forget, check out the link below, and you can actually create this really quickly. Now, how it works is this. I'm going to show you the step by step. So I'm going to jump over to TikTok and just show you an example of a viral video and something that we're going to be kind of looking at, because obviously it makes sense for us to look at and use something that works, right? So let's jump onto TikTok right now. Okay, so I'm on TikTok right now, and what you should do is search for videos that are obviously in your niche. So in this case, I'm just looking at an account which is promoting t-shirts, right? Because obviously I'm focused at promoting, say, print on demand t-shirt designs, right? And what I've identified, I've identified an account that is not the biggest account. So you don't want to look for something that is really big. You want to look at an account that is reasonable, something that is kind of something that you could actually aspire to. So I'm looking at an account that has about 1,000 or so followers. I'm not looking at a huge account. And what you need to do, obviously, is you need to create your TikTok account and an Instagram account, because I think these two platforms are the best things to actually do this for. Once you got your TikTok account, obviously, then you need to create your video, which we're going to use with Arcads. Now, I like to do my research, so I've just found one video by this TikToker or TikTok account, which has some really good engagement, has lots and lots of likes. If you look at this, you can see that they've got 1,835 likes, 54 comments and lots of favorites and lots of commentary here you can see. And literally, it's just this person talking about a t-shirt, right? And that's what I want to use, right? It's a very simple kind of video where the person is just literally talking to the camera, and you have to have that human element. And that's what's really cool about this amazing platform, where they actually have AI actors that look really realistic. And I'll show you them in a second, but let's just look at this video, right? Very quickly. Just listen to this.
I actually have it on today, the one you see the reel. Why? They're 100% cotton. They're thick, they're smooth, they're long lasting. I've washed this like 6 times. And as you can see, it still looks pretty white. I got them like in the beginning of summer, wear them all the time. They don't turn yellow easily on me. Like, they're amazing. And they just instantly make my outfits look more expensive, even though I just spent $14.90, ladies, and you can too.
Okay, so you can see that it's a really simple video, but it's that element that is interesting where a person is standing there talking, they've got a t-shirt on, and that's the kind of idea that I want to use because it works really well. And because, as I said, they've got a lot of commentary and engagement, it makes sense to do something that actually works, right? So I'm going to jump back onto Arcads and just have a look and see what actors they've got that might work for me. And then obviously I need to create a script, right, which the actor is also going to be using, right? So let's jump onto this. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do once you get onto the website is you go right at the top and just click login, right? You can use your email just to log in very quickly. So let's just do that now. Okay, so once you've logged in, like I said, you can promote anything, whether it be digital products or print on demand. In this case, and just for the sake of this video, obviously I'm going to do some t-shirt promotion. So the first thing I want to do is I want to select an actor. So you click here on the side, and then you're going to have loads of different actors that you can choose from, which is perfect because depending on what your market is and who you're trying to promote it for, then you can choose an actor. And what's amazing about this is they look so realistic. And look, just listen, just check this out. Look at this.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Tap any script you think will perform, pick some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover on any of these actors and just see how realistic it is. Look, check this out.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Tap any script you think will perform, pick some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket your ads performances.
So isn't that amazing now? And there's so many different types of actors that you can choose from that will be suitable for the ad that you're doing. So I like to just make sure I'm trying to use something that is basically in a similar sort of style, I would say, to the one that I saw, because it's all about trying to do if something works, you know, then you can obviously try to do something similar, possibly. I mean, this one might work.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Tap any script you think will perform, pick some actors, and let the magic happen.
You know, because what I want is kind of a close-up, you know, of a female and wearing a t-shirt basically. And that one actually worked. But I'm just going to come down and just see if I can find anything else. Maybe that may be more suitable. And don't forget, you can also choose from the side. You can, you know, choose what gender you want. Adult, young adult, senior, order, what kind of like sort of background maybe that the actor's in, accessories. There's lots and lots of things that you can choose from on the side as well, just to help you sort of hone in on exactly what kind of actor you want. But like I said, you know, try to choose something similar to the style that works, because I think that makes sense, because there's obviously something that works with the videos that are actually getting a lot of engagement. So for me, I think this one is probably the best one, which is this actor.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the
So I'm going to use that one because it's also wearing the white t-shirt. And then I'm also going to add in, obviously, part of the video, my own sort of, let's say I'm selling a certain design for the t-shirt, then I'll add that in within the video somehow. So let me click on this first.
Natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
Click next. Okay. And then obviously you've got loads of sort of controls. Now you can also add other ones if you want to kind of just to see just what another one would look like. Obviously try to get sort of the similar style. Like I said, for me, it's probably going to be like female wearing a white t-shirt. That might work. So I'm just going to...
Hey you, welcome to Arcad.
Maybe that one. So let's go to next. Okay, so I've got two basically now. And then what I need to do is I need to either paste in a script or obviously do a speech to speech. So you can actually record an audio and put that in, and then obviously they'll put that into we'll put it into text for you, so that the actor can kind of read that script out, should I say. So remember, what you want to do is just make sure that you've got some kind of script that kind of, you know, touches on the kind of things that has worked for those viral videos. So have a look at some good viral videos and see what the kind of hook is, what the first thing that they say, as in the videos, on the TikTok videos, you know, what the kind of middle part of the video is, and what's the end, just so you can understand what a good sort of text or speech would be would work for your video as well. So guys, this bit is really, really important. Like I said, you can get text, which you can paste the script here, and then the actors would read it out. You can either do that or record your own speech that you're saying something, and it will transcribe that from what you've said into words, which will also be used by the actors. So there's so many ways of actually getting your script, but my advice is always try to get some kind of script that you know works for a fact, and that will be to look at those trending similar related videos in your niche and listen to what people are actually saying, from the hook to the middle part to the ending of the video. Anyways, now that I've got my text now, I'm going to see how it sounds from the actors.
I found the best t-shirt, which is long lasting, smooth, really cheap, got fantastic trendy designs that really, really last a long time. They're super bright, they're super, super comfortable, and I cannot recommend this enough. I think these are absolutely amazing. You got to get them before they run out, so be real quick.
So I'm just really listening to the two sort of sounds right now, the way the two actors say their sort of words or the script.
I found the best t-shirt, which is long.
And then I'm going to generate the videos just to see how they look. All right, so clicking on generate videos is going to create those two videos for those two actors that I've chosen. So at least I can sort of choose one of them in the end that I want to go for, using the speech and the transcript that I've used, the script that I've used. Okay, so it's ready now. So let's just have a quick listen. Let's see how this works. Let's remember, I'm using the same script for both of them, right? But I really want you to check this out, because look how amazing this looks.
I found the best t-shirt, which is long lasting, smooth, really cheap, got fantastic trendy designs that really, really last a long time. They're super bright, they're super, super comfortable, and I cannot recommend this enough. I think these are absolutely amazing. You got to get them before they run out, so be real quick.
Let's check out Tiffany.
I found the best t-shirt, which is long lasting, smooth, really cheap, got fantastic trendy designs that really, really last a long time. They're super bright, they're super, super comfortable, and I cannot recommend this enough. I think these are absolutely amazing. You got to get them before they run out, so be real quick.
It looks so good. And listen, remember that script I put together because obviously I looked at really good videos and the things that they've said. So obviously, depending on your niche, obviously look at some really good viral videos on TikTok so that you can use them in your script. Anyways, I think I'm going to go for Tiffany, to be fair. So I'm going to click download, right? So I'm going to click download. I'm going to use Tiffany video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it on some editing software. But also don't forget, they also have some editing service as well, so which you can discover as well, which is cool. But I want to go and use it on the editing software that I use. I use a few different editing software like CapCut or Capwing, which are really cool, quick and easy to use as well. So what you do is you download this video, and then within the video, I'll probably add in the product, obviously, that you sell. So let's say you got a t-shirt design that's specific that you want to sell, that you actually sell on Etsy, but you want to include in the video and to show it off, then you can do that in the editing software. So check this out. Okay, guys, so I've opened my video editor, and like I said, I'm using Capwing. In this case, obviously, I use CapCut or Capwing. And very easy to use. I've got the links below as well. But don't forget, Arcads has a fantastic video editing service. But I'm just going to very quickly show you what the video can look like really quickly. And what I've done is, obviously, I've got a design. Let's say that I'm selling some kind of design in an Etsy store, and this is part of the listing. So I can bring an image from the listing images into the video. So at least it can showcase the kind of designs that are sold. And what I'm going to do is I've got the video which I've created using Arcads here on the side with the actor Tiffany. And yeah, so I'm going to start putting it together. So first thing I'm going to do is I've obviously created a sort of a portrait TikTok layout. Okay, so I've added in the video. And then what I want to do is obviously within the video, I'm going to sort of showcase the design. Now, you know, you can add, obviously, this is the Tiffany video. And then underneath it is the image. Now I can add loads and loads of images throughout the video as much as I would like to sort of promote or showcase it, and that's up to you. But obviously for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do lots of these. I'm just going to showcase it maybe a couple of times. Let me just click copy. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Look how long, look how quick this whole process was. You know, this is one of the best ways to promote your products right now, using TikTok, which is absolutely huge, and having a viral video, which can absolutely catapult your sales really, really quickly. Making sure that you got a viral script with a viral style video that's natural, that's easy to understand, that's really, really quick to do. And these are the ingredients to make sure that you got a successful Etsy store. So let me just export it now. Export it as an MP4. Now, what I might actually do is probably add one more thing, which is adding some captions on it, which will just elevate it further. So all I need to do, I need to go on the side here to auto subtitles, click that, auto subtitle, and it's going to generate it now for me. And obviously I can use different styles. There's many different styles which I can use. If I use this one,
I found the best t-shirt.
Right, so let's have a look and see this one very quickly with the subtitles.
Which is long lasting, smooth, really cheap, got fantastic trendy designs that really, really last a long time. They're super bright, they're super, super comfortable, and I cannot recommend this enough. I think these are absolutely amazing. You got to get them before they run out. So be real quick.
That's it. Now let me just export it now very quickly. So guys, if you're looking for something that you can create that is going to bring you, so guys, if you're looking for something that's actually going to really get you those, so guys, if you're looking for something that's going to get you those Etsy sales real quick, go and create a viral video on TikTok, and it's real quick. Just go and get a TikTok account, set it up really quickly, go and create a video using Arcads, which is really quick. Don't forget to do your research. Go and check out those trending videos on TikTok that are actually working. Go and check out what it is that people are saying, so you can create your script so that you can add it on the right actor from Arcads, and then use some editing suite, create it really quickly, and then also add the captions, which is also going to help elevate it. And then all you got to do is download it and then upload it onto your TikTok or Instagram account, right? And then don't forget the last thing, which is add a link to your Etsy store underneath to your listing so that you can get those sales coming through. And guys, don't forget, all the links of what I've said is below. Go and do it right now, man. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.